Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Yes, shall we continue our lesson for third class? What is our lesson name? Our first lesson name in science is living and non-living things. Okay, already I explained half of the topic and remaining we will continue today. Living things breathe. Okay, living things breathe. Okay, living things need air to breathe. What living things need to breathe? They need air to breathe. Okay, without air, without air, living things can live? No, they cannot live. So they have to survive. They need an air. Okay, so living things need air to breathe. Plants breathe through tiny holes on their leaves called stomata. How the plants are breathing? On the leaf of the plant, they having an tiny openings. That openings is called as an stomata. On the stomata, what happened? Tiny holes will be there. Through that holes, the air enters into that and the plants can breathe. So that is called as an stomata. Fishes breathe through their gills. How fishes are breathing? Through gills. With the help of gills, fishes are breathing. Insects breathe through tiny holes on their bodies. How insects are breathing? Small insects, you know, no. So on the insects like grasshopper, like ants and mosquitoes, small insects will be there, no. So how how they will breathe? They will breathe the tiny holes which are present on their bodies. With the help of the tiny holes, they will breathe. We breathe through our nose. How human beings are breathing? With the help of our nose, we are inhaling the air into our body. Okay, with the help of nose. Non-living things do not need breathe. So non-living things, what are non-living things? Man-made things like chair, tables, all these are man-made things. So they are non-living things. They cannot breathe, no. They are having the body parts, no. So they can't breathe. Now living things move. Move means going from one place to another place. Living things will move, we will see here. All living things can move. Plants do not move from one place to another, but their parts show some kind of movement. For example, a lotus open in the sunlight. So all the living things, what are living things? Plants, animals and human beings are living things. So but all the living things can move. In the living things, like human beings, they can walk, they can move from one place to another place. Plants can move. Plants do not move from one place to another place, but their parts will be there, no. Branches will be there, no. When the air will come, what happened? The branches, all the parts will be move. So movement in the plants, only the parts will be there, not the plant can move from one place to another place. For example, here lotus, a lotus open in the sunlight only. When the lotus will open in the sunlight only, the lotus flower will be open. Here, non-living things do not move from one place to another place on their own. Non-living things do not move on their own. So, example I am saying here, chair is there. It will move from its own? No. If we are taking from one place to another place, then only it will move. Living things grow. Okay, living things will grow or not, we will see. All living things grow. All living things will grow. Plants also will having a growth, animals also having growth, and human beings also having growth. A baby plant grows into a tree. A chick grows into a hen. When you were born, you were be a baby. Now you have grown into a child. So what happened here? Examples: a baby plant grows into a tree. No, small. If you are sowing a small plant, what happened? It grows into a big tree. Example: chick, a small chick will grows into an hen. When we are born, we will be an small. So small babies will be an, after borning, there will be an babies. So after few days, few years, what they have grown into a child. See here, a baby plant grows into a tree. Here a child grows into an adult. So non-living things do not grow. Non-living things can grow. A chair can grow. No, it can't grow. A table can grow. It can't grow. Okay. Living things feel. All living things feel. The leaves of the touch me not plant close when you touch them. When you touch an ice cube, your fingers feel cool. So feeling means फील मीन्स महसूस होना. अपने बॉडी पर कुछ रखे तो अपने को महसूस होता ना, उसको फील बोलते हैं. ओके, all living things feel. Okay, the leaves of the touch me not. Have you seen the touch me not here? Here before touching the touch me not, it will be like this. After touching with our finger, it will become an, the leaves are going to close, so it will be closed. It have the plants having an feelings. Okay, when you are touching to an ice cube, what happens? Your fingers will get cold. So we are feeling that we are touching to something. Okay, non-living things. Non-living things do not feel. If you are keeping any ice on the table, it will feel? No, it does not feel. Living things reproduce. Living things can reproduce to an young ones and another ones. Okay, how they are reproducing we will see. Most plants grow from seeds. A bird lays eggs. Baby birds come out of these eggs. Human beings and most animals give birth to babies. So how living things are reproducing? Here plants. How the most plants are growing? From the seeds of the plants, they are growing into an another plants. Here a bird lays an eggs. Baby bird come out of these eggs. What happened? How the animals are reproducing? A small bird is there. Firstly, what happened? It lays eggs. From that eggs only the baby birds come out of these eggs. Human beings and most examples to give birth to babies. Human beings are giving birth to babies. Okay, car. Can a car or a house reproduce? No. It is a non-living thing. A car is a non-living thing and then a house is a non-living thing. It can reproduce new house and new car? No. They are non-living things. That's why they cannot reproduce. Here example it is there. See how the baby plant is growing into a new plant. It is reproducing to another new plant. Here how here a hen lays a eggs from which a chick hatches out. Okay. Now your home. I hope you understood the lesson. Now your homework is choose the words from the box and write them in correct columns. Already here some names was given, that is a natural things and man-made things. We have to identify from these column and we have to write. I will show one example and remaining you have to write in homework. Here natural things. Natural things means what is there here? Elephant. It is a natural thing. Tree, it is also natural thing. Cup. Who is making cup? Man-made. Man is making the cup. No, it is a man-made thing. Bottle also we can make. So I am giving two example. Remaining three you have to write here. I hope you understood. Thank you.